Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today what we are doing from grade 4, the Hindi lesson name is Pyar Bhara Ek Khat. Pyar Bhara Ek Khat. Pyar means the love, the affection. Bhara include. Ek Khat, one letter. Okay, Pyar Bhara Ek Khat. The letter filled with love and affection. Okay, so let's start. This is very interesting story. Here what we will get to know the Gandhiji and Gandhiji's wife. Here we'll get to know Kasturiba Gandhiji, right? Kasturiba Gandhi is wife of Gandhiji, right? The Gandhiji's full name is Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi, right? He is a national hero. He is a father of our nation. These all things is a common sense, children. Common sense question we can tell, or the general question we can tell. Correct, right? If I'll ask you who is the father of nation, you should not say, oh, I don't know, ma'am. Correct, right? We have to know about our person, our hero, the freedom fighter for our country, right? Which is our country? It's India. Correct? Where we are living? We are living in India. Correct? Okay, so let's start, children. So this is about the full chapter. Pyar Bhara Ek Khat. You can just pause the video and you can just take it if you want the textbook exercise also. Yes, okay. Let's start. Everyone, please, grade 4 children, please take out your Hindi textbook, page number 98. ठीक है, चलो start करते हैं बच्चों. I hope so everyone open the textbook, page number 98. 98. प्यार भरा एक खत. The letter with the love and affection. Okay. आज नया साल का पहला दिन है. आज नए साल का पहला दिन है. Today is the first day of the year. Okay, today is the first day of the year. So which is that day? That is January 1st. Correct, right? मैं पत्र लिखकर अपनी पोती को नव वर्ष की शुभकामनाएं भेज रही हूँ. Here the grandma or a grandpa. Okay, still they did not disclose. When we will go here, that time I will get to know whether it's a grandma or a grandpa. Right? So the grandma or grandpa, they are writing a letter. Patra means letter. लिखकर अपनी पोती means the granddaughter, right? Who? The granddaughter. Sorry. मैं पत्र लिखकर अपनी पोती को नव वर्ष की शुभकामनाएं भेज रही हूँ. शुभकामनाएं means the wishes. नव वर्ष means new year, नए साल, new year. So now the grandparents, they want to, grandmother or grandfather, we don't know, just still. Okay, grandma or grandpa, we don't know, just still they are writing a letter to wish his granddaughter about New Year. पत्र लिखते लिखते 50 वर्ष पहले की यादों में खो गई. It means grandmother. Right? If खो गए or खो गया, it means grandfather. खो गई means grandmother writing a letter. Okay? So, पत्र लिखते लिखते, when she started writing a letter to her granddaughter, 50 वर्ष पहले की यादों में खो गई. 50 वर्ष, the 50 years, पहले की, 50 years back. Now 50 years back she went in memories. यादों में खो गई means now she is in that memory. Now she is thinking when she is started writing a letter. जब मेरे दादाजी ने एक पत्र कार्ड के रूप में भेजा था. मेरे दादाजी means that grandmother's grandfather. Okay, so because why they said here 50 वर्ष पहले, 50 years ago. करेक्ट. जब मेरे दादाजी ने एक पत्र कार्ड के रूप में भेजा था. My grandpa or grandfather sent me a letter as a card. Okay? पत्र means letter. पत्र कार्ड के रूप में भेजा था. He has sent me. मैंने तुरंत अपनी अलमारी खोलकर वहां पत्र निकाला. मैंने तुरंत means suddenly, the fraction of time. Within a fraction of time, she opened her almari. Almari means the cupboard, right? The iron cupboard, almera, right? That one we'll call it as the almari. खोलकर, open. वहां पत्र निकाला. वहां पत्र निकाला means that letter she took out. Who? The grandma. उसे देखकर मेरी आंखें भर आई. उसे देखकर, that letter she took out, right? That letter she was holding. आंखें भर आई. आंखें भर आई means the eyes are filled with the tears. Eyes are filled with the tears. Obviously, whenever, if you are now, just you think you are now 12 years old, okay, once you'll get to first, when you are in first year birthday, what you gift got that time, if you suddenly, if you'll see, that affection will come, right? Like that. उसे देखकर मेरी आंखें भर आई. When she saw that letter, her eyes filled with the tears. जानते हो दादाजी ने यहाँ पत्र क्यों लिखा था? Do you know why that grandfather wrote a letter to me? नए साल की शुभकामनाएं देने के लिए. दादाजी also wrote a letter to her to wish on New Year, right? मेरे दादाजी अच्छी उर्दू और अंग्रेजी जानते थे. My grandfather knows Urdu. Urdu is a language. Okay, Urdu is also a language, right? How we have Hindi, Kannada, like that, Urdu is also one language. So the grandma is telling, my grandpa knows very well Urdu and English. अंग्रेजी means English. हिंदी लिखनी उन्हें ठीक से नहीं आती थी. हिंदी लिखनी उन्हें ठीक से नहीं आती थी. He doesn't know the proper Hindi to write. Okay, he doesn't know proper Hindi to write. पर वे सोचते थे कि शुभकामनाएं तो हिंदी में ही अच्छी लगती हैं. But my grandfather used to think like whatever we want to wish should be in Hindi language only. Okay, like that he was thinking. आशीर्वाद तो हिंदी में ही देना उचित है. So the best thing is to give the blessings or to give the message, it will be good in Hindi only. Like that the grandfather was thinking. इसलिए उन्होंने कोशिश करके अपनी टूटी फूटी हिंदी में पत्र लिखा. Grandfather doesn't know the Hindi properly, but then also he thought no, Hindi language is most important. So somehow tutti frutti means he don't know the proper Hindi, but then also somehow he tried and he wrote that letter. Koshish means try. Tutti frutti means not proper. Okay, tutti frutti Hindi means not proper Hindi. कितना प्यारा था उस पत्र में. That letter was very good. That letter was very good, very nice. प्यारा means the nice, good, right? That one. दादाजी ने लिखा प्रिय पुत्री शारदा. The grandmother name is Sharda, right? The grandmother name is Sharda. दादाजी ने लिखा. Dada means the grandfather. Sharda's grandfather, Dada. दादाजी ने लिखा. The grandfather has written प्रिय पुत्री शारदा. प्रिय पुत्री means lovely daughter Sharda. Okay, next. वहां पत्र मैंने घर में सबको पढ़कर सुनाया. So when the grandma got the letter, that time she has read to everyone. She has read in front of everyone. कितना अनोखा है यह पत्र. कितना अनोखा. Anokha means the word we can say the extraordinary, will say the miracle, extraordinary letter it was. Okay, भला क्यों? Why is it so? कार्ड के पीछे बा और बापू की तस्वीर है. कार्ड के पीछे, behind the letter, it's a pic of बापू and बापू की तस्वीर है. कार्ड के पीछे बा और बापू. बा means the कस्तूरी बा. Bapu means Bapu. Okay, so behind this letter, behind this card, there was a picture of Gandhi ji and Kasturba. हाँ बापू यानी हमारे राष्ट्रपिता. Yes, Bapu means who? Bapu means our national father, right? A nation's father will say, right? That one. Rashtrapita. Rashtra means national, Pita means father. बापू का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद्र गांधी था. था means the past tense, because now we have lost our Gandhiji, right? We don't have Gandhiji now, right? He have he have fought for us for our freedom, right? So बापू का पूरा नाम, the Bapu's full name is, the Gandhiji full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The Bapu's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. कस्तूरबा गांधी जी की पत्नी थी. पत्नी मीन्स द वाइफ. बापू's वाइफ नेम इज कस्तूरबा. ओके, पत्नी मीन्स वाइफ. सब उन्हें बा कहा करते थे. सब, ऑल, एवरीवन कॉल हर एज अ बा. ओके. नेक्स्ट, आजकल पोस्ट कार्ड, जिसे हम खत भी कहते हैं, उसके पीछे तस्वीर नहीं होती, लेकिन लिखने की जगह होती है. nowadays what and all we are getting the postcards, in that उसके पीछे तस्वीर means the photo will not be there, but we have a place to write it. जगह होती है, लिखने की जगह होती है. It means we have place to write, but we don't have this photo at all nowadays. Correct, right? That one they are telling. मैंने दोनों पत्रों को साथ रखा और देखा. She has just kept both the letters together. What she is writing and what she got from her grandpa. The both letters she kept together. और देखा पत्र लिखने का नया तरीका. So now she found out how we have to write a letter. Okay. Next, C84 डिंकेस कॉलोनी, नई दिल्ली 110024 110024. 1 जनवरी. प्रियमिता, असीम प्यार और नए साल की शुभकामनाएं. आने वाले साल में कुछ नया सीखना और करना जरूरी है. तुमने क्या सोचा है, मुझे भी बताना. अगली छुट्टियों में अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ आना. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू दिस वन, डोंट वरी. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए कहानियों की बहुत सी किताबें लेकर रखी है. सबको प्यार, तुम्हारी दादी माँ. सो दिस लेटर इज फ्रॉम द ग्रैंडमा टू, व्हाट्स दिस गर्ल नेम, मीता. व्हाट्स दिस गर्ल नेम, मीता. असीम प्यार और नए साल की शुभकामनाएं. असीम प्यार मीन्स लॉट्स ऑफ लव. नए साल की शुभकामनाएं, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. आने वाले साल में कुछ नया सीखना और करना जरूरी है. द अपकमिंग ईयर यू हैव टू इन्वेंट मोर थिंग्स, राइट? नया सीखना, इन्वेंट मोर थिंग्स, इन्वेंट लाइक रीड न्यू थिंग्स. और करना जरूरी है. वी हैव टू अप्लाई दैट वन, वी हैव टू ओबे दैट वन, वी हैव टू डू दैट वन. तुमने क्या सोचा है, व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग, मुझे भी बताना. प्लीज टेल मी ऑल्सो. The Dadima is telling to Mita, like that and all she has written. So here she has written the address, then here the date, then here we'll write, respected ma'am, respected sir, right? Lovely daughter, lovely father, that one. Then here we'll tell it as a subject. Then here the yours faithfully will write, no, that one. अगली छुट्टियों में अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ आना. Next, when you'll get a summer holidays, please come with your mummy and papa, mom and dad. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए कहानियों की बहुत सी किताबें लेकर रखी हूँ. I have bought so many story books for you. कहानी, story, बहुत सी, more, किताबें, books. Okay, so I have bought more books for you, more story books for you. Please come with your mom and dad in this much only. सबको प्यार. Love to everyone. Love for everyone. तुम्हारी दादी माँ, yours grandmother. That is a letter. इस पत्र को लेटर बॉक्स में डालकर मैं सोचने लगी. So the grandma, what she did? She have just packed this one and she has just put it in the letter box. Then only the opposite person she will get it, right? Like that. काश अपने दादाजी को उनकी भेजी शुभकामनाएं के लिए धन्यवाद का पत्र लिखती. Now she is thinking I should write like I has to write a letter to my grandfather that time, not now. Okay, so I should reply, no, that like that she is telling. Obviously whenever you will get a letter or whenever you will get a message, obviously you will reply for that, no, like that she is telling in this. वे पत्र पाकर कितने खुश होते. If he'll get the letter, how much he'll be happy. दादी जी को भी पढ़कर सुनाते. So he used to read in front of grandma and correct, right? When what she is telling, the dadi ji is thinking about the dadaji, her dadaji. Her dadaji will read in front of dadi ji, like that. Please don't get confused. Okay, this is about till here the story. So here we have the question and answers. शुभकामनाएं, भले की इच्छा, बेस्ट विशेस, आशीर्वाद, आशीष, ब्लेसिंग्स, उचित, सही, राइट, खत, पत्र, चिट्ठी, लेटर. मौखिक, लिखित. लेखिका ने अपनी पोती को पत्र कब और क्यों लिखा. Why she has when and why she has written a letter for her. 50 वर्ष पहले की यादें क्या थी. What is the memories of 50 years back. 50 years ago what was the memory, that one. दादी माँ ने अपनी पोती के लिए क्या लेकर रखा था. What she has bought for her granddaughter. She said in the letter, right, I have bought पुस्तकें, कहानियां, that one. लेटर बॉक्स में पत्र डालकर लेखिका क्या सोचने लगी. When she has put that letter in the letter box, after that what she was thinking. लेखित means written, writing. मौखिक means oral. दादी जी ने पत्र कहाँ से और क्यों लिखा. दादी जी ने पत्र कहाँ से और क्यों लिखा. Why she has written the letter, from where. दादी जी कौन कौन सी भाषाएं जानते थे. दादाजी कौन कौन सी भाषाएं जानते थे. द ग्रैंडफादर विच एंड ऑल लैंग्वेजेस ही नोस. खत के पीछे किसकी तस्वीर है. विच पिक्चर इज बिहाइंड विद द लेटर. हुज पिक्चर. नेक्स्ट हियर, ये पत्र किसने कब कहां से और किसे लिखे. तालिका में लिखकर बताओ. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर. शारदा जी कब कहां से किसे. दादाजी कब कहां से किसे. सो हियर द नेक्स्ट वी हैव पाठ के आधार पर वाक्य की क्रम संख्या लिखो. सो फर्स्ट वन इज हियर द सेंटेंस आर जम्बल्ड, सो यू हैव टू मेक इट. सो ऑलरेडी दे हैव गिवन द फर्स्ट वन. आज नए साल का पहला दिन है. नेक्स्ट विच सेंटेंस विल कम, दैट वन. नेक्स्ट अर्थ लिखो, राइट द मीनिंग्स. आशीर्वाद, आशीष, ब्लेसिंग, राइट. शुभ, अच्छा, गुड. प्रिय, प्यारा, लवली. स्वस्थ, अच्छी सेहत, गुड हेल्थ. पुत्री, बेटी, डॉटर. धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया, थैंक यू. कामना, इच्छा, डिजायर और विश. उचित, ठीक, यस, ओके. अनोखा, अद्भुत, द मिराकल और द एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी. इन शब्दों के लिंग बदलो, जेंडर, ओके. महोदय, महोदया. दादाजी, दादी जी. दादाजी मीन्स ग्रैंडपा, दादी जी मीन्स ग्रैंडमा. लेखक, लेखिका. राइटर, this one male writer, female writer. छात्र, छात्रा, स्टूडेंट. मेल स्टूडेंट, फीमेल स्टूडेंट. अध्यापक, मेल टीचर. अध्यापिका, फीमेल टीचर. माली, गार्डनर. मालिन, गार्डनर. मेल गार्डनर, female gardener. Then we have here some पढ़ो और समझो, right. What they said here, जिन संज्ञा शब्दों की विशेषता बताई जाती है उन्हें विशेषण, विशेष्य कहते हैं. Like adjectives, we will say, right, oh it's a red frock, right, like that. प्रिय पुत्री, the lovely daughter. Daughter is a noun. प्रिय, lovely, lovely daughter. Priya is which and all they have underlined, that and all will call it as a Visheshya. Visheshya means what, children? The adjective. We will say, right, the bright student, the bright boy, the brave girl, like that. The strong mother, right, like that. Priya Putri, Naya Saal, the new year. Shubhkamnaएं, best wishes. Anokha Pat, extraordinary letter. 50 साल, 50 year. आप जानते हैं कि पुत्री, साल, कामनाएं, पत्र सभी संज्ञा शब्द है. दीज ऑल वर्ड्स, पुत्री, डॉटर, साल, ईयर, कामनाएं, विशेष, पत्र, लेटर, साल, ईयर. सो दीज एंड ऑल विल कॉल्ड एज अ संज्ञा. संज्ञा मीन्स इज नथिंग बट नाउन. बट प्रिय, नया, शुभ, अनोखा, पचा सभी विशेषण हैं. These all will called as a extra to the particular noun. That one will called as a adjective in English. In Hindi will called as a विशेष्य. Okay, next. दिए गए विशेषण शब्दों के विशेष्य लिखो. So here is picture, right? सुंदर. ये सुंदर है. सुंदर means सुंदर चित्र. The beautiful picture. पीला फूल. The flower is in yellow color, right? So that's why पीला फूल, yellow flower. अच्छी लड़की, good girl. मीठे आम, sweet mango. खट्टी इमली, the sour इमली. मोटी पुस्तक, the fat, what with the size is will be very thick, no? That one will call it as a मोटी पुस्तक, notebook. Next, बाई और लिखो संयुक्त वर्ण के लिए एक शब्द और लिखो. राइट वन मोर वर्ड फॉर दिस. स्व इज हियर, राइट? स्व, स्थ, स्त. ओके. स्वर, स्वतंत्र, स्वदेश, स्वदेश. आस्था, सॉरी, स्वस्थ, आस्था, व्यवस्था. बिस्तर, नमस्ते, सूर्यास्त. Then afterwards here one, the example is there for the letter. This is very important, children, as you are reading, as you are in grade 4, it's very important. So here, कौन हमारे लिए क्या करता है? Our helpers who are doing what? डाकिया पत्र लाता है. पुलिस रक्षा के करते हैं. पुलिस protect us. दर्जी means the tailor, कपड़े सिलता है. They will stitch the clothes. डॉक्टर इलाज करते हैं. They will treat us. डॉक्टर will treat us. शिक्षिका पढ़ाते हैं. The teacher, the female teacher will call it as a शिक्षिका. They will teach us. धोबी, washerman, कपड़े धोता है. They will what? They will wash our clothes. Correct? Next we have here some numbers. 51, 52, 53, 54, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Right? So these and all you have to practice. It's very important. If you know 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? So like that you have to be. Next, what is this here? आप संदेशा किस तरह से भेजते हैं? How you will give the message to us? From phone? Yes, tick mark here. From newspaper? No. From book? No. From here, from this bird we were, when we were, like olden days. Then with the letter, with the computer also we can send an email, right? So this is all about today's. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.